When you need a projector that can handle large venues and deliver bright, vivid images, the Epson L1505UHNL Laser Projector is a serious contender. Offering a powerful 12,000 lumens of white and color brightness, it's designed to create an impressive big screen experience even in challenging lighting environments. But is this the right choice for your professional needs? This projector stands out with its dynamic projection capabilities. Whether you're projecting on flat walls or curving around corners, it adjusts to deliver sharp, distortion-free images. That flexibility makes it ideal for creative displays or unconventional projection surfaces. It features WUXGA resolution, which means it offers clear, detailed images at 1920 by 1200 pixels. The use of 3 LCD laser technology not only boosts brightness but also enhances color accuracy and longevity. In fact, the laser light source is rated for up to 20,000 hours of maintenance-free use, a big plus for long-term reliability. One thing to note is that this model is sold without a lens, so you'll need to select a lens that fits your projection needs and environment. This allows for greater customization but also means an additional purchase. Customer feedback highlights the projector's exceptional brightness and image quality. Many appreciate how it performs well even in well-lit rooms, and the ability to project on curved or uneven surfaces is often praised. However, the price point is quite high, positioning it firmly in the professional or commercial market segment. If you're looking for a high-impact projection solution that combines power, flexibility, and durability, the Epson L1505UHNL is worth considering. This product may be on special on Amazon right now, so check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or take a closer look.